Hi friends, now I'll show you how to cook roadside mushroom. Required ingredient: 1 cup of mushroom, 1 cup of cabbage, 3 tablespoon maida, 2 tablespoon rice flour, 1 tablespoon corn flour, 1 tablespoon chilli powder, half tablespoon turmeric, 1 tablespoon garam masala. Required salt. Mix well. 1 tablespoon of water. Take one pan and fry like pakoda. Pour oil. Fry till golden brown. It's ready. Take it out. I'll cut and show you. It's very crispy. Now go for gravy. Add 2 tablespoon oil. Add 1 small onion, chop like this. Short it well. Put some curry leaf. Put 2 chilli. Required amount of salt. Add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Cover it. Let's cook 5 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon chilli powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala. Sort it well. Add 1 teaspoon tomato ketchup, 1 teaspoon soya sauce, 1 teaspoon chilli sauce. Next, put fried mushroom. Add 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Mix it and pour it. If you want gravy type, you can add half cup water. Cover it 5 minutes. It's ready for serve. If you like this video, click the like button and subscribe to my channel.